Hello, fam and friends. Welcome back to our channel. As always, thank you for following our adventures. Our trip in Florida has been amazing, but the last few days will be more visit to the beach, checking out restaurants with live entertainment as well, and hopefully meet new friends. So follow along with us. When in Destin, dining in Margaritaville is a must-try. The name itself makes you want to sing this famous song with Mr. Above It. But of course, we're here to try their food, and it honestly did not disappoint. Try their cocktails as well. It is good. Every day is a gift. Don't take life for granted. Live life to the fullest. Laugh some every day. Keep growing. Keep dreaming. Keep following your heart. You have to color outside the lines once in a while if you want to make your life a masterpiece.
Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. 4 times. Come on. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Moran.
As one adventure ends, another one has already begun. That's right, we are currently in the Philippines. We will be sharing new videos real soon, so stay tuned. As always, thank you all for watching. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it truly inspires us to create more content that hopefully helps to begin your own adventure. And please comment or ask questions. Until next time, peace and love.